Hey guys, so I wanted to do a little update on these two little trees that I got for $2 each from Ikea. I'm really upset. One of them is not doing well. So what happened was I started to water them. The leaves started to come back. Look at all these awesome leaves, guys. It's starting to fill out, right? So, I did a little research about these trees, and basically it was like water them when the soil is dry. So that's what I started to do. But at one point, this one started to kind of have like a dark stem, and it got a little soft. So I freaked out and I was like, oh my God, I overwatered it. So then I stopped watering it, and this is what happened. Kind of the little stems shriveled up, and I actually had to cut this one off. This one was very soft, so I decided to cut it off. I'll stick some pictures in here of what it looked like when I cut it, and I was hoping for it to come back. It seemed to be doing okay, but after a while I was like, okay, maybe I should water it again. And I did water it again, and now this one is soft, and it wasn't before. It was just this one, and now this one is soft, and this one seems not soft yet, but all of my leaves fell off of this one, and these don't seem to be doing good. They're totally like limp. So I don't know if I should keep watering this, or is it just a lost cause? This one, on the other hand, I kind of stopped watering as well because I was really worried. But the stem started to sort of shrivel up, and in my mind, this meant that it was thirsty. It started to lose some leaves. I knocked over a few dry leaves, so to me, this means like it was dry, it needed water. So I started to water it again, and it seems to be doing good. You can even see that there's some new growth here, and even here, and even in these branches too. So I think this one's gonna make it, but I'm feeling pretty confused about how I'm supposed to water these guys. And obviously I don't want this to happen to this one. So if you guys have any advice, let me know. Should I be allowing it to stay dry for a few days before I water again, or what's the deal? Anyways, guys, I hope you're having a lovely day, and I'll see you next time. I have a few new plants to show you. Bye-bye.